Tonight, Mellow and I are having El Pollo Loco. Tostada chicken. And this is it. It looks like this. Anyway, there's rice inside. I'm gonna give some of those to Mellow. Probably give her the salsa too. Put some salsa in there. And then let me. Oh! I forgot that thing doesn't have a. Here, let me put this in there. So that way it won't flip. So where is the rice? Oh, it's done. Way at the bottom. Trying to make sure she doesn't get any other the meat, chicken. There you go, Mellow. Let's put some of these. She's not gonna eat it. But wishful thinking. Alright, Mellow. Come on, let's go eat it. Come. Come. I'm gonna give her a little bit of the chips, I guess. Of course, she wants some of my food. She wants to eat off my food. No, Mel, go eat over here.